Welcome to this tutorial. How to buy and sell safely online. You can buy or sell any items online, but the main concern is how we can safely do our online buying and selling activities. If you will not take care of some points, then there is a chance you may compromise your online security. Scammers are always active to steal your personal information and can do fraud with you. Let's see some important points to buy and sell safely online. Always check the URL of a shopping website, and it must start with HTTPS. To check the URL starting with HTTPS, click on the address bar and you will find the HTTP or HTTPS. If it's showing HTTPS, then it means it's a secure website to buy and sell. Always check the star rating and reviews of users posted on an item. If there are many positive reviews with good star ratings posted by users, then you may trust that item. Check the image search on Google. If you find that the same image is posted on many online platforms and the information about the product is mismatched, then be careful. Always check the product return policy and consumer protection policy. If you find the price of the same product is different on other sites, maybe on some websites you'll see a huge discount on the same item, and it may be a scam. So always buy or sell on a trusted website. Never share your bank account details or personal information with an untrustworthy person or on a website. Always prefer to use a credit card for buying than a debit card. You can also use person-to-person payment apps like PayPal, Venmo, etc. Don't share your login information with another person. Use a secured internet connection and avoid using a Wi-Fi network that is not password protected. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day. Please subscribe to our channel.